blurrier than shit. There we go. There you go. You know, hopefully this turns out halfway decent, but you know what? I really don't care, dude. It's gonna look cool either way.
Yeah, this is just trash guitar.
It's not trash. That's just a project guitar, dude. I'm gonna get this done properly. For some reason, without the pickguard, it looks really cool.
Yeah, I was thinking, man.
Looks really.
Like a thin piece of
it looks really cool without the pickguard.
Peel. Fuck it.
All right. He's ready to go yet? Nah, they're still wet.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, we're gonna have to wait a bit. All right, well, we got that part done. Spray some red over it.
No, I'm gonna completely black it out, and then we'll do the red when we dunk it.
Well, the black's right here, though.
Yeah.
What are we doing? We're gonna do the paint now in the water?
No, I'm just doing it right now.
Okay. All right.
Oh, fucker.
Well, hopefully we're gonna have enough spray paint.
Oh, dude, for sure.
Looking good so far. I'm gonna do the knobs first.
Yeah.
Hydro dipping my pick guard and my knobs. I'm probably gonna do just like a follow-up video and just show it off when we're done. Lawnmower's going off. Yeah. Are we good on the blackout?
Yeah.
All right.
We're gonna let that dry. Looks pretty good. Besides that. Huh.
Alright, got the red. Come on, dry. We should have done this when there was more sun.
Yeah.
These are gonna take forever to dry now.
Still fucking wet.
Fuck, dude. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to do just like a follow-up because we gotta let those things dry.
Yeah.
As long as we.
That's kind of how I want it. Like.
We gotta keep it
right underneath the.
We gotta keep it in that general area.
Yeah.
So. Okay, well I think I'm just gonna end it off so we can let the crap dry. So, there's the pick guard, the knobs are over there. Worth it. The only hard part is just getting the screws off, kind of, especially where the pickups were in the switch. But besides that, wasn't too bad at all. You know, I'm just about to say, screw it with the knobs and just get them in there. Yeah, I'm gonna do a follow-up video.